What are we doing with number 3? On number 3, it's saying which we should determine dy all over dr. What does that mean? Y is the subject. Okay? Y is the subject of the formula. We are differentiating in terms of what? So it means we are going to only concentrate on the exponent of r. You go to r and then you highlight the exponent of r. So let's go and highlight here. What do we have here? We have r here. You see with this trick, we have x and then also have r. Okay? So now what is it that we're going to concentrate on? We're going to concentrate on what? What is the exponent here? 1. It's 1. Sharp. We're going to multiply with that exponent. Yeah? And then what do we have here? We have r. Okay? Here we don't have r. Okay? What do we call that thing? Constant. It's a constant. Okay? So yeah, we are going to have dy all over dr, which is going to be equal to 0. Okay? Yes. And then we have plus. Yes. We have 1 multiplied by. We take it with its sign and we multiply it with its sign. So I saw what the mistake might be. We plus and then we multiply it with the whatever it is that we find here. Like this whole thing here. So we're going to have 1. Actually, why not 2, say? We're not differentiating in terms of x, we're differentiating in terms of what? Of r. And then the exponent of r is what? Is 1. Yeah? So it's going to be multiplied by pi r x squared. And then you come to the r here, you're going to have 1 minus. Let's put it this way so that you will see the difference. So we have 1 minus 1, okay? Multiplied by what? By x squared. I was still fine. And then here we're going to have plus, okay? Plus, look at this, it's plus. Plus, then we're going to have 3 multiplied by minus 1, r cubed minus 1. Yes. So now we add and then we multiply that thing with its sign. Mara, if it's complicated for you, you can put the minus, it's fine. You'll see when I put out which one works best for you. I prefer to say let's add first again, and then we multiply. Okay, let's simplify this a little bit further. So if we say this one is 0, it's fine. No problem, it's 0 this one again. So we have 1 multiplied by 5. And then we have 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 1. It's 0. Any number to the power of 0? Any number to the power of 0? 1. So in this which answer we are going to have 5x squared. You see where the 5x squared comes from? Agree here we are going to have 5 and then we have r to the power of 0 multiplied by x squared. Okay? What is this? This 5 gives us what? And then you're going to have 3 multiplied by minus 1. 3 multiplied by minus 1, you get what? Minus 3. Yeah? And then after that, you're going to have 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1?
R squared.
You don't have to write this 0. Then our answer is going to be equal to
R squared.
5x squared minus